Om Shri Gurubhyo Namah. Om Shri Krishnaya Namah. Om Shri Raghavendraya Namah. 11th of July 2021. A Sunday and a holiday for most people, or rather a holy day for some people, if not all. The reason or the factor behind it, it's Pushya Nakshatra. What is this Pushya Nakshatra? Pushya Nakshatra is believed to be one of the most auspicious stars in Hindu scriptures. How come? What does Pushya mean? Pushya means to nourish. Hence, those born under this constellation have energy and power. It is also believed that goddess Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth, was born in Pushya Nakshatra, and hence she stays in the homes on the day of Pushya Nakshatra for a long duration. However, there's a little bit of information that needs to come in here. Tomorrow is a Sunday. What if it happened to be a Thursday and Pushya Nakshatra happened to be on that day? If Pushya Nakshatra occurs on a Thursday, then it is called Guru Pushya Nakshatra yoga, which is sacred to worship goddess Lakshmi and also your own Guru. So people believe that Pushya Nakshatra brings good luck and prosperity. As per the Hindu Vedic astrology system, there are 27 constellations and 12 signs. Amongst them, Pushya is the 8th constellation and is the most auspicious of all. Pushya Nakshatra is ruled by Jupiter, and the lord of that is Saturn. Hence, Pushya Nakshatra is considered very good to perform all auspicious activities. The wealth and the prosperity that comes with this constellation will last forever in your home, provided you follow certain rituals and do the prayers and worship the deity, goddess Lakshmi, accordingly. All activities started on this day will succeed and be accomplished completely. That's why many business people make it a point to follow the tradition of buying their account books during Diwali. But here, on Pushya Nakshatra day, in fact, many people take the liberty of writing a fresh page in their account books. Another tradition is buying gold or jewelry and gems in the Guru Pushya Murta yoga, which is said to multiply in the future. Some people start spiritual activities to get divine blessings during the Pushya Nakshatra. They start worshipping the goddess and chanting mantras. They believe that this will help improve their lives in all walks and all ways. Some worship goddess Lakshmi with the Shri Yantra to get abundant riches. Some worship goddess Lakshmi with Shri Yantra to get abundant riches. Investments that are made on this day will yield much more good returns for a longer time to come than normal. In fact, some people buy Ayurvedic medicines to administer in Pushya Nakshatra. Overall, it is a significant phase and it has a significant place in Hinduism, that is Sanatana Dharma. And many people believe it as it's the most auspicious moment or time in their life. However, Pushya Nakshatra is believed to be cursed for marriages. Hence, marriages will not be performed during this constellation. So, with this little brief background on Pushya Nakshatra, wishing each and every one of you a very happy Pushya Nakshatra on this day, do go ahead and pray to your Guru, whoever it is. Pray to Goddess Lakshmi to give you the wealth that you seek, whether it is in terms of money or in terms of your health or in terms of whichever way of life you're looking at. Wishing you all a very happy Pushya Nakshatra. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namah. Om Shri Krishnaya Namah. Om Shri Raghavendraya Namah.